By the year 2050, the United Nations estimates that we will have a world population of 9.6 billion people, up from our current population of 7 billion. That's an increase of a little more than a third. However, we will need to increase food production by on the order of half, again, of what we already have. This is because when people grow more prosperous and more affluent, they tend to change their diet styles, going from a largely grain and vegetarian-based diet and moving towards a diet that contains more meats, fats, and sugars, all of which are more labor-intensive and more cost-intensive. One of the difficulties here is that most of the arable land that can be used for farming in the world is already being used for farming. This means that we will have a limited amount of land we can repurpose. Combine that with climate change, and all of a sudden, we're not looking at a very rosy situation. However, all is not lost. There is a way to feed almost 10 billion people. It will require that we use traditional methods, technology, and start thinking of things in a different way. The first thing I'd like to address is technology. There are many different ways that we can increase our food production. There's genetic engineering, which is already being used, which allows us to increase not only the yield, but reduce the amount of pesticides and grow in different circumstances. Furthermore, we can also enrich certain foods with nutrients. Golden rice is a key thing here.